girl, we finna eat, okay? We finna eat. Relax. Relax. Take it easy. We about to eat. I'm fixing it now. How you gonna rush me? You inside the uterus. You inside the womb. How you rushing me? Okay, so we about to do these mushroom and Swiss burgers. So I got my chicken on. It's in this pot, you can't see it. But I do use ground chuck. It's 80-20 ground chuck. And I prefer ground meat like this versus the roll. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not a roll girl. I'm not a roll girl. I hate rolled meat. I don't know what it is. It just don't taste right to me. I don't. And I'm gonna use 1 egg because I think it's only 1 pound of ground beef. Okay, so 1 egg. Wash my hands. Okay, so as a binder, you can use either or. Okay, either or. And as y'all can see, I love Food Lion. I am a Food Lion girl. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. When I worked at Aldi, I ain't buy too much out of it. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't buy too much out of it. The chicken used to smell like fish. Why do this chicken smell like fish? Stressed me out. I said, oh, hell no. I ain't buying nothing out of Aldi's. But, again, you can use either or. Tonight, I'm gonna use the oatmeal. Not covered. Now, this is me combining. Okay? And y'all don't get in my comments, she can't cook. She using oatmeal. Obviously, you can't cook because you don't experiment. When you don't experiment, I mean, I would be like, oh, hell nah. I don't know what the hell she got going on. What's she talking about? But whenever you experiment and you really do cook, I'm telling you, it changes your whole perspective on life. And once it's all combined, you want to go ahead and roll it up. Roll it up, roll it up, throw it in a pan. Because it's going to make the perfect hamburgers, okay? The perfect hamburgers. Now, I ain't got no money to be buying no hamburger press, okay? Spending money on them fancy gadgets and stuff. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got the money for it either. Smash it like this. Okay? You smash it like that. That's the same thing. Look smashed and flat to me. Use this pre-seasoned. Yeah.
That's before 3-year-old. You know, I did my first video game till I was 10.
I went ahead and sliced up my onions because why not? Why not? I'm an onion girl. I ain't gonna lie. I'm an onions and a peppers girl. Them onions had me though. And then I used some whole portobello mushrooms, sliced them up as well, as you can see. And once I was done slicing, I went ahead and I put them into my pre-seasoned cast iron. Because why not? Why not? Yeah, y'all see it. And then to saute them, you just have to constantly have them moving, okay? You do not want to walk away from that because you don't want them to burn. If you walk away, they're going to burn, okay? I'm telling you from experience. Look at it. Look at it. Delicioso. Ow, come on, get off my head. That's not funny. Ow! Ow!
You okay?
So it took 10 before somebody acknowledged if I was okay.
How long I been with you, man?
It took 10 hours for somebody to say, am I okay?
Larry, stop it.
That's real crazy. No. Contact. Buddy got cooties and trying to kiss me. Sir, do you not see this? I can't take medicine. Please.
You play all.
I like sauce. I'm a sauce girl. And Ken's is one of my favorite honey mustards besides, what's the market people? Bojangles. So this is my burger. Alright. You add them onions and all of that good stuff on the top. And I really should put this on a plate. I got bacon. Top it with that butter. It's getting the crusty crab pizza for you and me. The mushroom and Swiss, add bacon the homemade way, you know.